Okay, let me repeat again that about in lesson number 27, we have two rules, Izhar and Ikhfa. So there are four rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween. If you remember, last time I have told you that Noon Sakin mean when Noon has Sukun sign, and Tanween mean when there are double Fatha, double Kasra, double Dhamma. So these three signs we will call Tanween signs. So whenever we have any one of them, so after that we will check that letter, whatever comes after. Okay. So
Okay.
in idgham we learned that whenever we have any letter from Yarmalun, Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon, so then we will call it Yarmalun. And whenever we have a Yarmalun after Noon Sakin or Tanween, so then we merge. We do idgham. Idgham means merging. Okay, and I also gave you the tip that whenever we have two connecting signs comes together, where the first one is sukoon and the second one is shad, so then we will skip sukoon sign later. Got it?
Got it.
Then we have learned about lesson number 27. In this lesson, we have two rules, Izhar and Ikhfa. So we just learned about the Izhar last time, and Ikhfa we have to start today. So let me repeat Izhar again, and then we go for the Ikhfa. So the izhar means to saying clearly, and the definition of izhar was whenever we have any throat letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, so then we don't do wanna, means we read clearly. Remember in the previous idgham, we need yarmalun letter after noon sakin or tanween, and in izhar we need throat letter. So if you remember, the throat letters are hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Got it?
Got it.
So whenever we have any throat letter after nun sakin or tanween sign, so then we just read without gunna. Means we read clearly without doing gunna. And the ikhfa is the vice versa of izhar. Means whenever we have any ikhfa letter comes after nun sakin or tanween, so then we do gunna. Okay, in Izhar we don't do gunna. In Ikhfa we do gunna. Got it?
Got it.
Great. So now in the Izhar we already knew that there are six throttle letters, but how many are in Ikhfa? So there are 15 letters total in Ikhfa. So whenever any one of them comes after Nun Sakin or Tanween, so then we do gunna. We read that there with gunna. So actually, as I knew that the 15 letters is very hard to memorize, right?
Yeah.
So I have a tip for you. And that tip is that whenever you are in Quran and if you see uh, Noon Sakin here, can you see the computer screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, Noon Sakin or Tanween sign. So then check after that. If there is any letter from Yarmalun, Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Vav, Noon. So then what we do? We merge. Got it?
Got it.
If we have again after Noon Sakin or Tanween, if we have any throttle letters are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, and Kha. Okay, so if we have any one of them, so then we read without Gunna. We do Izhar. Okay. Now, if we don't have any one of them, like if there is no any throttle letter and if there is no any idgham letter, so and also if there is no ba after noon sakin or tanween, Then whatever letter comes after Nun Sakin or Tanween, we will call it Ikhfa letter. And now we do Gunna. Okay, so now you don't need to memorize any 15 letters of Ikhfa.
Okay.
Okay, so just need to remember the Izhar, Yarmalun letters, the Izhar, Idgham, Yarmalun letters, and the Izhar throttle letters. If there is no any of the throttle letter after Nun Sakin or Tanween or a letter Ba, so then we call that letter is one of the Ikhfa letter, and now we do Gunna. Gunna means put your voice in your nose for a while, that is called Gunna.
Okay.
So now see here. In this word, we have Noon Sakin, and after the Noon Sakin, we have Ain. So Ain is one of the throttle letter. So that's why what we do here, we do Izhar. Izhar means we read clearly. So we don't do Gunna here. We read An, Am, Ta. That's it. We don't read Gunna like if you do Gunna here like that, so it will be wrong. You have to read very clearly like Anamta. That's it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So now read A'udhu Billah and Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Now read this word.
من
No, we don't do Gunna because after Nun Sakin we have Kha, and Kha is one of the throat letter.
من
Yes.
عوف
Yes, very good. Now go to the next. Yes, come on. After one, that is Ha.
har
Half. Yes. Now next.
aban.
It's now here we have Nun Sakin, and after that we have Ta, right?
Yes.
Yes. So Ta is not included into the Lam and Wow, and also Lam is Ta is not included into any Izhar letter, any throttle letter. So that's why we will call this Ta is one of the Ikhfa letter. And now what we do?
Una.
We do Gunna, like we hide our voice in our nose. Ta.
Anta.
Yes. Next.
Kud. Kudanto.
No, no. Kuntu.
Kunto.
Next.
An. Na.
It's not Noon, it's Zal.
You said it's what?
It's Zal.
Anzar.
No,
Ba.
not Ta, it's Noon.
Me. Ba.
Yes, Anzarna.
Ansarna.
Hmm. Only two lessons are remaining. 28. After 28, it will be 29 and 30.
So what do we do after that?
After that, we start Quran.
Oh, okay.
Okay, after that, you will be able to start Quran and you can read by yourself, inshallah. Like here, you can also read. Okay, here you are doing few mistakes, but inshallah, after you start the Quran, so then it will be resolved and then you will able to read by yourself.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Yao man
Yawma, mim has fatha.
yama kizan
Yawma izin.
yoma izil wajin fatu
Not two, it's tun.
tun
Next.
afaman
Not man. See, I told you when we have two connecting signs comes together, where the first one is sukun and the second one is shad. So then we skip sukun sign letter.
Oh, mau.
Connect me with wow. Apa mau.
Alpha mau. Mids.
Mm-hmm.
Nah.
Read again.
Mids.
Mm-hmm. Where is miss?
Wait, isn't it? Mids.
No, what is the name of this letter?
That's wow.
Wow. So read wow with fatha. Wa
Oh, wow. Mud.
with
Nah.
ain with fatha and then connect with dal ad
Ad.
na.
Nah.
Hmm.